Hello and welcome to All3D in sunny Wales. Today we're going to start scanning a horse. This has been an inquiry that's come in by a number of different interested parties over the year, so we'd have an opportunity to go and scan Red out in the field at the moment, to come in and see exactly what's possible scanning a horse, which isn't easy, but we'll give it a go and see what happens. That's cool. So we're just about to scan Red, see how we get on. That's it. Okay. So we go. As you can see, we've got a bit of slow diff, and we'll just look on the screen, and we'll just do a nice bit of auto registration. That's it. So we'll get rid of that frame there. Yep. Going fine. So very quickly, Red's been very good. We'll just do a quick registration just to see all the parts come together. And we've got some really nice details. Got movement in the head, but the rest of the body is fine. So nice and quick. And work some conditions outside in sunny Wales.
So we can see now with the scan that we've taken from Red that took 30 seconds, we've got a lot of detail, areas around the head where he moved, obviously haven't come together, but as you see from the rest of the body, it looks pretty good, and on the whole I'm pretty impressed with our efforts of scanning a horse.